gathering, which brings a lot of very, very fun memories. Some of them sweet, some of them not so sweet, but as Jim said, it's been enjoyable. So I'd like to see, I think we have, like to look for those people who have been with us from the beginning. Marga, of course. Aida, there are two. Where is Amanda? Ba't wala sa dito? Lisa, wala rin. Oh, ha? I was promised by June that this would be the old team. We had, you know how we started? It was a very small company at the beginning. Mario was a business modeler, financial, whatever. And then Gini was doing finance. He was, I cannot forget how I met Gini. He was, he was in Solid Bank, no? And we acquired the bank, and there was a group of 15 investment bankers. And we looked at the 15 who remains, and out of the 15, I only chose one person, which is Mr. Ashwin. All the others were, it's not the boss, it's one of the boss is called Jacinto. And we didn't like any of them, but we liked Gini Ashwin. And I think that was a very good decision to have taken him. I can also remember Gini because when we did our planning, we love planning. We plan before once a year, and then after that twice a year, and then every quarter. We just love. This is a drinking session. Why is it so formal? Bakit ito dyan? Ano nangyari sa Global Power? Come on guys, this is about fun. You know, so I remember our drinking session with Sinadilo and oh my God, everybody is so drunk. We did that twice a year, and one of those sessions, we do a lot of serious work. And one of those planning sessions, we were supposed to say, a person and say,